Have you ever
Wait,
wondered?
please wait.
Have you ever wondered why? Like, have you ever wondered this hard? I can't climb the tower. Well, me and my friends and Mr. Golden Boy, we're gonna be climbing the tower. We're gonna be showing you an easy method of climbing the tower. All you need is 2 hoverboards and this thing up here. So grab them. You can have these, and I'll grab my own. So all you need is just 2. Yes, it's very expensive, but it's worth it. You get a 3 research point reward and a free hat that you'll see later into the video. We're gonna get it. Into the TV! Into the TV! So we're gonna climb this tower.
I'm at the next level.
Already? I'm not already at the next level. How are you already at the next level? Wait for us.
I will wait at the 3rd level.
Okay. Easy. Already did it. I'm already coming to this level. 2nd level. Make sure you don't lose any items.
Okay, I'm at the 3rd level. I'm gonna wait there.
This is the easiest of how to get good at climbing this. Yo, what is up? Gamers. It might take you a second to actually climb the tower. It might take you to actually climb the tower. So it might take you like a whole day to climb the tower. This you just an hour, a couple minutes, maybe. Because why is the best method? You can basically just climb up. You don't have to do anything.
I'm waiting for you.
We're almost there. And if one of them runs out, you can it's the easiest method to
You
many of
could
them.
also use Mega Broccoli.
Because it's the easiest method. I can do boom and boom. And I'm up to the 3rd level. Let's go.
Come here.
We're supposed to make content after out of this. It's a speed run, okay? Oh, this one's the hardest.
Come guys, come up.
Oh, strategy. Yeah, here's our strategy. So, if you think it's too hard, you go over here. Climb over here. Just climb. Avoid all of that.
If somebody of us dies, then we must revive.
Yeah, we can revive. Go. Oh, that was close. And that was the quickest level we've ever done. Up here. If you see this video, any of you, call that Mr. Duck Sammy. Okay, that Sammy the Duck. I need to get onto land. Climb up the tower.
I'm at the next level. I'm not.
Already?
I'm at the next level.
Here's my strategy. I just like to go climb up here. And then when this one fails,
I'm in the 5th
go up
level.
here.
I'm waiting for you, guys.
And then I go up, and then this part is coming up. I'm
Let's
getting
wait for
up.
Javier.
I'm climbing up.
This is the easiest level you will do it.
Hi. It's not the easiest somehow. My hoverboard did not get up. Bro, my hoverboard does not want me to win. My hoverboard does not want me to win. Okay, we're up, up. We need to make this max efficient. This method is max efficient. What I would do, wait, what do we do up here? We just, I don't like climbing. I want the quickest method. And I think I know one.
Javier, I'm in the next level.
Oh, this level is so easy. This level is so easy.
I'm at the construction level.
This level is so easy.
Just go.
Right now we're at 5 minutes. We're at 5 minutes. We're only at 5 minutes. I'm not being too efficient. If you're like them, it's gonna be like 3 minutes to get up here. If you're as efficient as them. And I think this is the last.
Okay, now
it's almost the last
the hardest level comes the laser level.
You mean the easiest level? Because I'm gonna climb up here. The easiest level? Why do you call this hard? Why do you call this? And beaten in what? Almost not even a minute. Beaten in not even a minute. Easy. Oh no. This is the hardest level. I don't know what you mean. Oh, I'm evading all those lasers.
Oh, shit.
Wow, bruh.
Oh.
Avoid all the lasers.
Damn.
I don't think this is good to use a hoverboard.
Damn. Bro, guys, how
We're
many
avoiding every laser. I watched Mr. Beast before. This is easy. And I touch a laser.
Guys, here's
They do
a shortcut.
What shortcut? What do you mean by shortcut?
I found the shortcut.
Oh. No! I died! Revive me! Revive me! Revive!
I made it.
I died again! I died immediately! Okay, I'm at 1 HP. I can touch a single... No, how did I... You can't... Oh, no! No! I can't... Why did I die this way? Leave me behind! No! No, how did I die
I'll
this
take
way?
you with me. Bro, I'll take you with me.
No, bro, then I can't get the reward.
I'm so sorry, bro.
I'm gonna respawn.
Okay, bye.
Bro, come back for me. Come back for me.
I will
do the parkour and then come.
Yes, do the parkour and come back. Okay, let me get the stuff back. Let me get the fit. That one is extremely hard. How am I supposed to get past that? But everyone else, the other levels are easy, honestly. But how did I die to the final level in that weird method? How? Well, I'm gonna climb up all the way to the top. I'm gonna climb up all the way to the top. I'm gonna climb up all the way to the top. I'm gonna climb. Okay, 20, 20, okay. That took me 21 seconds to climb up there by myself. Cool. At least I'm not alone. I'm with my viewers. I'm on the second level. Tell me when you beat it. I'll wait for you.
Bro, where's the exit?
Remember, you have to climb up.
I'm really low on health.
Third level, baby. I'm at the third level.
Good.
Got a worse spawn. Maybe I got
I died. Abia, go to the lake.
I'm at the third level. I'll wait for you at the fourth.
Laser lock.
That hurt. That was close.
Abia, wait for me at the laser.
I'll wait for you at the fourth level.
Okay, I will come then. Like the level 3, right?
I'm at level 4 now.
I will come.
I'll wait for you there. Mr. Ducky.
I'm at the level Egyptian level.
I'm at level 4.
I will come back.
Come for me. I need your help. Please come to the fourth level.
I'm almost at level 4.
Yes. I got hit by a spike. But I'm regenning.
Bro, I lost my other hoverboard.
It could be a little harder for you. You have to actually parkour.
It won't.
Just do this.
No.
Go up.
This is why you need 2 of them. It's a little harder to do it with 1, but it's way easier to do it with 2. Like, look, I'm just flying up, slowly but surely, just up. Why is he actually ahead of me? Well, because I'm more heavy, he's actually ahead of me. Might be a little better. If you're good at parkour, to do it with one, because you're less one than two.
I'm good at parkour, bro.
So if you're good with parkour, you think you can do it with one, do it with one. It's a little harder, but it's less, you have less weight. It's a little harder, but still, I don't know. It's like a little bit of a challenge.
Bro, I'm so good at parkour.
Even though we get it at mostly the same time, it's faster if you're good at parkour. That's why you should be good at parkour if you really want to win this. But if you are bad at parkour and you want to win, there might be a couple more minutes. But try this method and you'll certainly win. There's 100%. But there's still a chance of quitting. So please don't quit, because this is the easiest method if you want to win. I mean, look how fast I'm climbing up. Just like, it's too fast to give up. And that's it. It's a little harder because you're a little more weight. Like, look, I'm way more weight than this, but I'm still doing it. I'm just barely doing it, barely hanging on. I'm most scared of the last level. Wait, you know the level I'm talking about, right? You know it's the next level. I'm so scared. The next level could be my nightmare.
I'm at the later level.
Next level is gonna be my nightmare.
What?
Next level is gonna be my nightmare.
Bro, the later level is the dumbest and I hate it.
I hate the laser level. Honestly.
Me too, bro.
It's so annoying. Just please get rid of the one laser, please. You drop yours.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm gonna keep it.
Zero. Because I'm
No,
not
I'm
that,
gonna take this.
like,
I think I'm gonna turn the umbrella off for this level, right?
yeah.
Because
it will be better.
it's better. I'm more weight though. Oh no, it's way worse. I need to glide. I'm too heavy, too fat. No! No! I'm at 1 HP. No, I'm gonna wait here. No, I'm gonna wait here.
Just leave your hoverboard, bro. You don't need them. No!
And cool.
Come
And
here,
of course,
Ghosty.
I hate this game. At least I didn't die in that other spot. I think I might be survived. Just crouch down a lot.
Leave your hoverboards. Leave your hoverboard.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Bro, I even left my hoverboard. Woo! How am I supposed to get past this? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. I'm turning on my hoverboard. I'm better without it. Woo! Bro, I'm dying. I almost dying. Tippy. I died. Hi.
Oh no, bro.
Hi.
I have 1 HP. I have 1 HP now, bro.
I know you're gonna die on the next spot. And I'm gonna try to revive you. I'm dead. I'm actually mega dead. No! Wait, is my body here? Where am I? No! I hate this game. I hate this game.
Bro, I will take you with me.
No! I need to go in my body form. I'm wasting. Ah! Bro, I'm gonna run out of time! Bro, this message is OP, it's just I'm bad. This method is overpowered. It's just bad this game. Go on without me.
I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna try to make it by myself. I don't think I can do this.
Okay, I'm in the next.
Come back. I'm gonna go. I'm on the second level. I'm gonna wait here. Come back. I'm on the second level.
Wait, I'm in the last level.
Okay, I'm gonna head to the third one. Wait.
Yeah, then I will respawn and then go to you.
Should I wait in the third level or the? Should I wait in the third level or the second level or the third level?
At the third level or the fourth.
Third level.
I just got my stuff.
I'm almost at the third level. I'm gonna wait on the second level exit.
You're at the exit of the third level.
No, the entrance into the third level. I'm gonna wait there. Okay, maybe you shouldn't try this method if you're bad at the game. I'm at the entrance into the third level.
Okay, wait.
No, can you just make that 1 minute and 1 second?
I'm here.
I don't see you. Ah, I see you. You got the sun hat. I need the sun hat and I need the 3 research points. So I'm heading to the third level. Max.
I will help you, bro.
We made your.
I
we
hate the
messed
laser
up.
level. I hate the laser level.
Bro, the laser level is easy without the umbrella and without the things, the hoverboards.
How did I die then?
I don't know. Nope.
This level's hard. Boom. Gamer movement.
Oh, shit.
Okay, sure. Go, go, go. Fourth level, fourth level. Bro, I need to go to find more peppers.
Last time they will be. Oh,
This is the last time I'll need to worry about this level. These levels. The last time. Right, Mr. Yellow Man? For my friend?
yes.
This to be the last time I'll have to worry about all these levels. Until I get home from it. And then I'm like, I didn't beat it. That's why we need to
I'm
beat
just
it
doing
today.
it with one umbrella.
Why do you have no hoverboards?
It's easier.
It is not easier. 0 hoverboards. It's actually way harder with hoverboards. Boom! Made it. Are you in?
Okay, I'm here.
See, it's way easier. For me, it's way easier with hoverboards. Because I can just boom. Because I don't jump that high. That's why I'm so bad at the laser level. It's so annoying. This level was easy until it was hard. Are you up? And I'm up. Yo, bro. Yeah. I've been up here for a while, a bit, like an hour.
Bro, it's so easy without the hoverboard.
Bro, you mean the final level? People say this is the hardest level, I think not. People say this level's the hardest, I think not.
No, it's not, bro.
People think this level's the hardest level in the game. Why do they say that when obviously the level is the hardest level? They need to get their level straight. I'm up. Easy. All these levels are easy with hoverboards. Where even are you? Where are you? Yo, bro, where are you?
I'm at the level. It's hard, bro, without the thing.
Where? Next level?
I'm at.
What level are you at?
It's the hardest. It's the hardest.
Which level? Are you still in the factory?
So hard, bro.
Bro, are you still in the factory?
Yeah, it's so hard, bro. You must try it without the thing.
No, I'm too lazy. Yes, you made it up. So it's time for me to
The
jump.
laser level is easy. I know how to do it fast.
Okay, guys, this video is gonna show you how to do it fast.
Bro, this is the last level, bro. Drop all of your items.
Is there gonna be something after? Oh, I barely dodged that. Oh, good thing I've watched Mr. Beast video.
Good thing that I'm a pro parkour, bro.
I'm not pro at parkour, but I'm pro at laser mazes. And I'm avoiding all the lasers without all my items.
Here will be an easy part, bro. Here will be.
Where do we go?
Jump up!
Oh!
Okay, good. Go.
What?
Okay.
How am I supposed to get through
Just
this?
follow me.
Go down.
This would be easy with some stuff, but I just have.
Whoa! How are we supposed to do this?
Yeah.
No! I can't make it up the first jump. That's very bad.
Oh,
No! Oh, that hurt me, that hurt me, that hurt me. Very, very bad, dude. No!
I did it!
Yes, I did it too! That was so easy! Yes!
Last level, bro.
Last level!
level
I'm a
of
shining
bro.
star, apparently.
Oh.
What? I think we going there. Here. I hear the sounds of.
You do it! You press the button!
I pressed the button.
Okay, wait.
I did it, boys. That's how you beat it. 9 minutes, almost 10 minutes.
Okay,
That's how
bro.
you beat it. And now I have
The second time.
Andy come to
Now. And now.
Ah! Where do we go now?
Come.
Ah! Yes! I have the sun
We did it.
hat. I have the sun hat. Yeah. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to my original hat. Thank you. But they
Bro, it looks.
original hat. I'm gonna go to my original hat. Thank. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my original hat. But thanks for the help, Mister. Thank you.
Guys, I have Mr. Pointy Crane.
Yeah, Mr. Pointy Crane. Thank you, Pointy Crane.
Guys, I have a magical stick.
I like-
promise you.
I like-
Come here. Come here, yellow. Come here.
Here. I'll show you the magical stick, okay?
I
Wait, it didn't work. Oh, we're no PvP, probably.
Guys, someone should kill himself, and then I will show you a glitch of your.
I would rather. You know what? I would rather. This is how you use the magical stick. Okay. So you go like this, and you like the.
Then yoink it.
Nah, guys, this is how to do the magical frying pan. It's so easy, bro.
I'm gonna blow myself up.
Okay. Keep screaming out there, boys.
Yeah,
You will know how to do this level.